Hello guys, welcome to the XenithSoft for unleashing technological horizons, and this is the first design tutorial of XenithSoft on Android Studio, and today I am going to design a UI of login screen, and we can select a new project and we'll find out empty activity and then we'll click on it. Next, then you can write the name whatever you want. So I'm going to name it as simple login, as I'm going to make the simple login for the beginners. So I'm going to make the API 21 as is amazing and runs on 99.5% of devices. So click on finish. So wait until it arrives. So it almost came, and as we are making the design of login screen, there I don't need TextView, and we can and here is the container constraint layout, but I need linear layout to work for the design of login. You can make the design on constraint layout, but I prefer linear layout as I have the comfort on this container. So I need another container of linear layout. I write it. So the width will be mesh parent and height can be wrap content. Then I'm choosing it, and it's the main layout of this design. I am choosing the ID will be main layer, and then selecting we need a image view inside it. Before it, we can set a background on our mother layout. Setting the background FFF is the color code of white. Then we can select any color we want. I'm choosing light blue as it looks good on the background, and to hide we need width for the image view, and I can set the height mesh parent, and height can be wrap content. Then here comes the src attribute, which is for the vector asset. I'm choosing the vector for the image view, and I can set the person inside this image view, and the color will be white as it's look good on blue. So I need, but it seems like this is so small, it's so small, but that's why we need to give the margin on top. dp. Okay, but as it's so small, we can set the height. We can set the height 100 dp. Yeah, it's look good right now, but it can be for 50 dp. So now we are moving on our main part of the login screen. We have to work on edit text. This is the email edit text, and we can set the with match parent, height will be wrap content. Now we have to set the hint will be email, then we can set the margin on top. Margin on top will be 20 dp. Then we can set the hint color, this color hint color will be white, but to keep the margin on top 30 dp. Size sp as we don't set our orientation, because linear layout always stays on horizontal. We need to set the orientation vertical also on it, vertical. Yeah, now it arrives, and we have to put the padding inside this main layout. On the side we can give the padding 20 dp. Now text size is 15 sp, and text color will be 15 sp. We have to close it. Text color will be white. Now we will create another vector asset for our first edit text. Drawable start. Yeah, we'll make our edit text. Give our edit text a vector asset in drawable. So I am using the email for our first edit text. Color will be white, as it's look good. Email, mail. We need some padding. we need some padding for it. (15 sp). Drawable padding, it will be drawable padding. (sp). Input type will be email, text email. Email address as it's our email edit text. And now we have to copy it for our second edit text password, and hint will be password as its password. Input type will be password. Password. We need another vector asset for our password. We can choose the lock vector as it's suit with our password. Color will be white. Okay, then lock. Then we can design it. Okay, so keep it stays on pause as our video length will be high, so I am putting the video on pause. Okay, so we are all set now. We give the custom design for our edit text, so we can set the custom design on back and a edit text background. It's moving it. Close it, and background be edit busy, but we need some padding on the both side. 10 dp. Copy it, then paste it. Yeah, so now it's just simple. So we need pattern text, making it. So we are all set now. We designed it all on pause because we can't make the video longer, so that's why we designed the last part on pause. So I designed the simple login UI, and I will give the source code on my video description. You can download in from there, and you can practice it. Okay, so that is for today. Subscribe this YouTube channel for supporting us, and be with then it's what? Then it's soft. Okay.